Hello and welcome. I am at Brecht Caravan in Heilbronn in Germany. I've got this Campeo Black Forest 6-meter long camper van to show you, and on the Citroen Campeo C600 it'll cost €77,158, and let's have a look at it inside. So there will be more information below. There'll be a link, and if this vehicle isn't available by the time we get this up, then there'll be a link to something similar if something similar is available. Right, you see he's got a tent in the roof up there, and let's have a look to the back. We've got a double bed down here. The Black Forest, I think it was brought out in 2023, or was it 2022? Can't remember. 23, well, maybe it was. I remember my friend sort of saying, oh, that's just come out. And so you've got features like this at the back. We've got storage around. We've got a window in one side, so you can put pillow up against this side here. We've got windows in the door which are openable. Storage under here as well. Here we've got the toilet. It's got it's quite a lot of space in the toilet actually. I'll come in, and it's nice and bright, so don't need the light on, but you can see how much space I've got above my head anyway. So so I'm 1.75 m. But it's sensible sliding door, slides closed like that. Over the other side we have got sink, 2 burners, bit of storage below, and in the second one we've got the instructions for the vehicle. So you get this big instruction book like that, and that tells you how everything works inside. Over here, down here, we'll find the diffusers and the frost guard. There we go, and also the knobs for turning the gas on and off with. Semi-dinette table can be made bigger if required. There's a ladder somewhere to get into the tent in the roof, and there's a look up front. Obviously in the door we find a mosquito net, and let's come out. So come on to the back here. There are the van by Bürstner, and the door's locked, but there's plenty of storage below. What I can do though is I can maybe show you in a different vehicle, such as this one here, what the storage looks like below. And so, gas cupboard on this side. There's space there for 2 gas cylinders. Now what's clever about this is that all of this will move up if necessary, so that'll come up and it'll give you access to, you can stack lots of stuff in here should you require. Also, you've got a board down there, and that will move out if you've got something long or something like that. Close the door. It's got this Black Forest decal on it, and good. So if you found that interesting, then I'll leave you a link for further information, and where you actually get one of these should you so want to do so. I'll even go and close the door properly so it looks neat for the final bit of the video. There we go. And good. Now I'm working with this company producing an app. In fact, they've already produced it in German. It's really good. It's called Help to Camp. It's a troubleshooting app, and when you've got problems with your motorhome, the habitation area of your campervan or your motorhome, then Help to Camp will give you the answers. I'm currently doing the English version. It's available in the App Store, so if you want to have it there, download the free version and have a look at that. The paid version is €10 or $9.99. So if you The paid version though has a lot more solutions than the free version has. So anyway, good. That's a little bit about me, what I'm doing. As far as my videos are concerned, I upload every day at 21:15 my time. I'm in Poland and in Germany. Okay, now I'm in Germany, but I'll soon be in Poland, and so that's the time I upload. 20:15 for when I'm in the UK and when you're in the UK too. Thanks for the moment. All the best. Bye.